How to use live translate, interpreter mode, and a bunch of other AI features on your Google Pixel 6 or the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Hey peeps, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use live translate, live caption, interpreter mode, and some other awesome features on your Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro. So first of all, you will go into settings, then you will go into system, and herein you will see the option for live translate. Once you go into this option, you will see a master toggle to enable or disable live translate, and then you have translate to and add a language. Once you click on add a language, you will get a bunch of options. Now not all languages support all features, but when you try to download it, it is going to tell you that what all features are supported by that specific language. So right now we have German, which we are trying to download, and it supports messaging, live caption, camera, and interpreter mode. And let us go ahead and tap on add language, and now the language is being downloaded. Now, once a language has downloaded successfully, you of course have toggles to enable or disable on a per language basis. And if you tap on any of them, you are going to again get the features which it supports, and you also have the option of removing that language. Now, how do you use this? So let us go into the messaging application, and here it is. You can see I was messaging with one of my friends in French. You see on the top, we have the option of translate to English. Once I tap on this, there it is, from French to English, everything was translated. And the best part is anything you type, anything you speak will now be translated into French. The other person will see it in French and you will see it in English. So for the other person, it is totally transparent whether you know French or not, but another awesome great feature by Google. Next up, we have interpreter mode, something which you can use to interpret or say translate real time when you're talking to someone face to face. How do you use this feature? Well, you have to first of all invoke the Google Assistant, and once you have done that, all you have to say is interpreter mode. Now, once you do that, it will tell you to choose a language, and herein you can choose any language which you want to. Let me choose Hindi. And now all I need to do is tap on the mic and start talking. हेलो, हाउ आर यू? तो जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, उसका ट्रांसलेशन हिंदी में आ गया। वाओ, दिस इज सच एन ऑसम फीचर। हाँ मेरे दोस्त, आप एकदम बढ़िया बात कर रहे हो, ये बहुत ही अच्छा फीचर है गूगल की तरफ से। So, as you can see, that is another nifty feature, real-time translation. One person is speaking in English, the other one is speaking in some other language. Pretty cool, pretty dope. Next up, it does not stop over here. You can use this to translate your road signs or any menus as well. So let us say you are visiting a foreign country. You know, the menu is in English, Spanish, whatever their first language is. All you need to do is open the camera application and then go into modes. Once you're in modes, go into lens. Here in bottom left, you see the option try live translate. Tap on this. Now on the top, you will notice it is telling me that detect the language or English. So let us try the French language. And here it is. I do have a road sign in French. You can see it translated Paris to Lyon, and the bottom part was not translated correctly, but let us try it once again. There it is, Business Park and Macun Nord. So that worked without any issues. So again, this can of course be done offline as well if you do not have an active internet connection on your device, as long as you have downloaded that specific language using the settings and live translate menu option. So let us try out the offline mode once and turn off our internet connection, and then we can open the camera application, go into lens and translate. As you can see, it is telling me no connection. We can of course tap on French, and this time around let us choose German because we have already downloaded this pack offline, and then let us bring this text into the picture and try to translate it. There it is, attention, accident, conspiracy, with no internet connection, working like a boss, and sorry about the dirty screen on the Pixel 2 XL. The next place where you can use this awesome feature is in your captions. So let us first go into settings, sound and vibration. Herein you will notice you have a menu option for live caption. Make sure the master toggle is enabled. Then we can go into YouTube and play any video. So here it is, you can see I'm playing a Formula 1 video, and if I double tap on this, I have the option of three dot menu on the top right and then say translate captions. So translate from English and say done over here and enable it one more time. English to English cannot be done, so let us try German over here, say done and then say done one more time, and bam, there it is. You can see my live captions are now in German. Similarly, if I want to change it, tap on this and then tap on the three dot menu, tap on German, change this to French and say done and done once again. And now the live captions are in French. Pretty cool and pretty dope, isn't it? And there it is, peeps. Those were some of the pretty awesome features of live translate, live caption, interpreter mode, which you can use on your Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.